If you've ever walked into a builder's model home and wished you could buy that exact home, here's your chance. I'm Annette, your full service realtor, showing you 18519 Lilliput Lane in New Caney, Texas. Let's go. Of Houston with no back neighbors and a lot that's over 13,000 square feet, come check this home out. This could be a perfect fit for you. I'm Annette, your full service realtor, helping you build your future. See you soon.